People think that real estate agent goes to luxurious restaurant all the time, go to from one happy hour to the other one, but it's not the case for me. I love to cook as well. I'm Sacha Blanchet and this is what I have to say. My favorite thing to cook is pad thai and Vietnamese soup. I love going to Mesa. They have amazing fresh market there. I pick up some ingredients, bring it back home and cook it at home. It's so nice and relaxing for me. I love it. This is Sacha Blanchet and this is what I have to say. And what's your favorite meal to cook? Let me know by leaving a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to always know what I have to say.